Yes. Today I am going to discuss the addition of two-digit number. Now the title of my क्या गया यार? Title of my lecture will be addition part 1. This addition is going to be for class 2 math, and basically there are 4 methods which I will discuss today. In a first lecture, I will try to discuss the first and second method, and I will request the children of class 2 to understand all, at least one they should understand. First method. The first method by counting. By counting method. And I am assuming that in the class 1, the children should have a counting very easily from 0 to 99. One-digit number and two-digit number. Before going for addition, each student should know the counting, and I will give the example. Example 1. And be careful that this counting is the foundation of up to the higher classes, including the engineering, BSc and MSc. Just I am saying that example 1, add the following two-digit number. It is also written as two-digit number. Addition of one-digit number I have already explained in the class 1, but here I am going to. So now question is at ones and tens, two-digit number, it is 68 and the 28. And I am telling you the steps how you can count it. Before that, the first number is known as addend. Second number is also known as addend. And the final is the sum. These things should be remembered correctly, that in addition there can be 2 addend, there can be 3 addend, there can be 4 addend, but it will be higher classes. But for class 2, it is the two-digit 2 number. Now, how will do it? Solution. Also, you remind that the digit below O is known as the first digit, and digit below 6 is known as second digit. Very, very important. So now step 1. They are small kids. first aid, first is first digit number by forward counting. Forward counting. Now question is that how you do the forward counting? Forward means आगे बढ़ना है, इसको आप मान के चलिए. For this, what you have to do, there are two digits 8 and 8, but by chance it is 8 and 8, but it can be different digit. So you should take the highest digit number right here, 8, and make an arrow like this because you want to move forward. The remaining digit is 8. So what you have to do, you have to make 8 square, because I have already told you how to make a square. So just see here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you should ask the student, because they are kids, they are small kids, to write here this number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Things are clear that you have to add and 8 and 8. So just count. After 9, 8, I have already told you what is the meaning of after. After means just उसके बाद वाला number. Right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The last digit is the 16. अब यहाँ देखिए, अब what is step 2? Here it is O and T, because it's 2-digit number. So step 2, because 6 is below 1s, so write right 6, because 6 is below 1s, below 1s. So how write? Just write. I'm making another this one O T. Here it is 68, and here it is 28 plus 6. Write 6 below 1s and carry over 1. Carry over 1 above T. Sometimes just over, or you can say here clearly, here 6, here it is 1. And also you can just improve this. Like just put a small 7 here and 1 here. So it is very clear. Now, so write 6 below 1s and carry over 1 above T, because T is on tens. Now, third step step 3, add, because this 1 is also addend. So this add 1, 6 and 2 by forward counting. As I have stated here, that the largest number should be written here. So 162, largest number is 6. So write 6 first, then what is other two number? 2 addend? 1 and 2. 1 is the small, so you put here 1. Below 1. And after that, 2 we have to add, so it make 2 square. 1 and 2. So just see here, I have asked 1, 6, 2 should be added. So 6, 1, 2 is added. Now forward counting, after 6 there will be 7, 8 and 9. Be careful, all these are at tens. So you can say this is T, this is T, this is T, this is T. So this is also T. So now step 4. Write 9 below T as. Again write O T is 68 and 28 plus, here it is 6, carry over 1 and it is 9. So step 5, addition is equal to 96 O and T. This is the first method, very simple method, and I have tried my best to use the square so that any student should not make a confusion. So now I am, and again I have told you that this is addend, this is addend. Ask the student to write many times addend, so they will be remembered, because my experience says that they don't study at the home, and this is the sum. This is my request. Now it is up to you. Now I am going to tell you the second method. The second method, this is E. M, E. Second method. This is also forward counting, but generally in my class they use this concept. I am renaming by the straight line method. By straight line method. If you are confusing in a spelling, so since speaking, so you catch out of that. Now question 2, example 2. Procedure is the same, but only in place of square, I will make a vertical straight line. And because of that, I said in the beginning, the student should understand how to make a dot, point, What are the symbols? Straight line, circle, semicircle, other things. So now question is, add the following two digit number. Here I have taken the different example. Again I am saying that this is 74 and 19 plus O and T. Again I will request that the student should understand the meaning of O means ones digit, T means tens digit. Now just say, again I am saying this is the addend. Request a student should write many times addend. And question is to find out sum. Sum, add and plus is the same thing. Oh, पूरा क्लियर हो गया जो. Anyway, I am repeating the second method again. Second method by straight line method. Straight line method. Generally, students prefer this method. The example 2. Add the following two digit numbers. Here I will take a different example in comparison to the first method. 74 O T and 19 plus, and I am again requesting that this all two digits addend, this is also addend, and this is the sum. Now, what is the straight line method? Because the student should not draw the vertical line, straight vertical line. Solution. Same procedure. Step 1. Here I have already written one sentence. First, ones should be added. So here writing add first digit number at once. Means I have to do 4 plus 9. Now, here I am just putting the highest number or biggest number. The biggest number should be written first. First, as. Highest number is 9. Forward counting, this is also a forward counting. But you have to be very careful what I am going to tell you, that 4 vertical lines should be drawn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. No, not 4. This is the line. It is not the number. Like this. And as I have told you in the square, you ask them to write 1, 2, 3, 4. And make a counting. After 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 will come in a picture. O and T. It is the same as method 1, but question is, in the first method you have to make a square, in the second method you have to make a, and also I will prefer to say that 9 and cut 10, 11, 12, 13. So even they forget about that, you can do it. And here you can write 10, 11, 12, and 13. Just similar. Only this picture is different. So 13 is there, and again step 2. I am making a statement. Count forward and cut vertical line after after line, count forward and cut vertical line after writing number above vertical line. As shown above. Step 3. Now question is, what is step 3? Step 3, write 3 below ones and carry over 1 at T over T of addend. So here I will just say, here again write the same thing here. like this. O O T 74 and 19. Here I am writing 3 carry over 1. In the same way as I have done in the example 1, that is the step 4. Step 4. Now add 1, 7 and 1 like previous one. Your largest number is 7, 1 and then 1 line. But here it is 1 and 1. And here 8 and 9 and result is 9. This is as T. T. So step 5, write 9 of T below T of addend. As shown below. Just see here T, O, here 74, also write here plus 74, 19 and plus here 3, here 1 and here it is 9. So this is addend. This is also addend. And this is the sum. These two methods are exactly same. Only in both cases forward counting has been used. And for that, in the first method, square symbol has been used. In the second method, vertical line symbol has been used. Thank you very much.